All right, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the very first thing in programming, elementary programming. That's what we're going to be doing. And the only thing we're going to be doing in this course is elementary stuff, such as what are strings? What are strings? So strings are just characters. And to make the computer know, or at least Java know that you're typing a string, you have to use the quotation marks, the quotes, right? So, but before you start, you have to tell Java that name, you have to tell Java that name is actually a string. That's how Java knows. And if I hover in it, it says name is elementary dot name dot string. And forget about the, you know, uh, square brackets there. So now I would like to put a name in there. And I'll put the name of my brother's dog. The name is Coco. She's a very beautiful dog. She's getting old, and that's her name. My brother's name is Josh, and I'll call, I'll say owner. Owner is also a string, and his name is Josh, right? Cool. So now we already know what string is, and we can print them, right? I can say sys out and say uh, I can say owner plus. This plus is called concatenation, so you're adding two strings together. So owner, and I'm gonna do quotes. That means I'm I'm writing a string of characters. So owner of, and I'll say I think I can just say owner of concatenate name. That's booty right there. Okay, let's do this again. I'd say owner concatenate. So plus is just a way to combine two strings together. I'll say Josh is concatenate. And remember, I always say concatenate because you're not actually adding, you're just joining two strings together. Owner is name, not is name. So Josh is Coco's concatenate owner, right? And now we can print this to the console, and you can see that there are no errors. What you saw the red underline there was just an error. So when you combine this and run this program, it should show us Josh is Coco's owner. It's combining, and the IDE I'm using is called Thea Blueprint. It's owned by Oracle, and you can see it here. Josh is Coco's owner. So these are just strings. So remember again, you have to tell Java if this is a string or it's not a string. Now, what if we want to add the age of Coco? Right? We can say this is going to be an int. An age is an integer, right? I can say age equal 2 years. Yeah, she's a big girl. And now I would like to print it, right? I would like to print Coco is 2 years old. 2 years old, right? I would say this is name concatenate is, and I'll say concatenate, I'll say is age, and I'll say concatenate, and this is also going to be Coco is 2 years old. She's a big mama. Run it. Yeah, so Coco is 2 years old. And she's on the ground here. She's crashing. To reiterate, strings are letters. So just alphabets, right? A, B, C, D. And to print out strings, you have to put them in quotations. You can't put an int into quotations because it's gonna give you an error. And to let Java know that this is gonna be a string, you have to tell it, Java, hey, this is gonna be a string. That's how Java knows. So with that, we're gonna go to the next lesson, which is variables.